Okay, so to create a new YouTube channel, you're first going to go to youtube.com. And then up at the top right, you're going to see the sign in button. We're going to click on that. Now this is how you create a new Google account from scratch. Down the bottom here, we're going to click create an account. And then you're going to select for my work and business, and it'll become apparent why we'll do that later. So we're going to select get a Gmail address. So you're just going to put in your first name and your last name, hit next, date of birth. All right, so when we get here, what I would usually recommend is to create a new Gmail address. So we're going to hit that. Enter your email. Apparently that's taken. Password. So in this next step, you can enter an email address that Google will be able to use to contact you if you get locked out of your account or something. Then we're just going to hit next. You can read through all this and hit agree. Now for this bit, we hit not now. So we've just created a Google account. Now we're going to create a new channel. So first we're going to have to decide on a name. And you're going to see two different things here, name and handle. Now these might seem similar, but they're distinctly different. Your name is the thing that's actually going to show up on YouTube when people go to your channel homepage. And it's also going to be the name that shows up below videos. Now, name is not unique. I could call myself Mr. Beast, for example. And even though there's already a large channel called Mr. Beast, it's not going to count. On the other hand, your handle is unique to you. And your handle is the thing that's going to show up in comment sections. And it's also the name people will have to type in if they want to tag you. And because the handle's unique, if I tried to type in Mr. Beast, for instance, it's not going to let me because Jimmy's already taken that handle. So when you're deciding on your channel name, think about three things. You want it to be easy to remember, easy to pronounce, and lastly, unique. So how do we do this? Well, I would first recommend just go to ChatGPT and then just type the following. Give me 25 unique, simple, and easy to pronounce names for a new YouTube channel that posts content about, and then just describe what it is you're going to do on your YouTube channel. So hit enter on that. And here it's going to give me a bunch of actually pretty good names. I actually like Dry Dip Diaries, so I'm going to grab that. And before we actually use this though, an additional step I would recommend is running your name through a business name checker in your country. So you can just go to Google and just type in like business name availability checker. And usually whatever country you're in, the appropriate website will pop up. So for me, I'm in Australia, so I'm going to get the Australian Securities and Investments. I'm going to come in here, then I'm going to go search now, and I'm going to come and select check business name availability. And I'm just going to put my name in and hit go. And as you can see, the Dry Dip Diaries is currently available. Now, the next thing we're also going to do is go to YouTube itself and type in your channel name, then come to filters, and then go to channels and see, are there a bunch of large channels showing up with the same name as you? So in this case, you can see all of the other channels that are popping up, they're not this name, and even the related ones are very small subscriber counts. So I wouldn't need much traffic in order for my channel to show up number one when people try to find me. So I think I've found myself my YouTube channel. So I'm going to put Dry Dip Diaries there. I'm going to chuck it in here, and I'm also going to get rid of these spaces. Bam, it is available. All right, next thing we're going to do is to select a profile picture. Now your profile picture is going to be 800 by 800 pixels. Now, if you've already got a logo or a photo of yourself, just hit select picture from computer, upload from computer, and then upload the file. It's going to upload this picture for me. There we go. And then you're going to be able to size and position the profile picture. And then you just hit done. Now in this case, a picture of Chris Williamson with Thug Life glasses probably doesn't suit a waterproof teabag review channel. So I'm going to go back to the illustrations tab. I'm just going to type tea and hit search. Now, none of these are really that good, but for now, just select some things. I'm going to do like that, right? Choose the color we want and done. All right, so the Dry Dip Diaries is ready to go and we can just hit get started. And now if I come up here to my profile picture and click on switch account, you can see that my YouTube channel, Dry Dip Diaries, is here. Now, if you already have a Google account or YouTube channel, but you want to create another channel, what you would do is go switch account, then go view all channels, and then come to create a channel. In here, you get to add your channel name. Let's grab one of our other ones, Splash Safe Sips. I don't know why I find this so amusing. Hit the checkbox, hit create, and it will look like this. And now you have a YouTube channel, but there's one last thing you need to do to set yourself up properly. Let's go to your profile icon up here, come down to YouTube Studio, click on that. If you're not a psychopath, you can click up here and change your appearance into dark mode. Oh, that's so much better. And then what you're going to do is come down to settings, then go to channel, and then go feature eligibility. Now, what you can see right now is intermediate features and advanced features are not enabled for me. And these are pretty essential features on YouTube. So all you have to do is add and verify a phone number. Now, I actually can't do this because I've already associated my number with other channels, but you would be texted a verification code, which you would then verify your channel through. Once you verified your phone number, you would click on access features and you'd want to provide a valid ID or video verification and then submit it. And in a couple of days, you will have your advanced features turned on. And those are all the basics. You now have a fully eligible channel and you are ready to become the next Mr. Beast. Hopefully minus all the allegations. But now, if you want to learn the best settings and how to properly upload videos to YouTube, check out the video on screen. I'm going to walk you through in depth, just like I did now, the exact step-by-step settings you want to give yourself the best chance of getting more views.